Hey guys, so for today's video I will be doing a ombre nail tutorial, and it is very quick and easy. All you need is a false nail, and I actually stuck mine to a pencil. You will need some sort of sponge or beauty blender even, and I used a dark purple from George, a baby pink from Rimmel London, and then also a white from Rimmel London as well. So just simply apply the nail polish to the sponge, and it doesn't have to be in the same order that I done it. You can do it any way you want at all, whatever style you're going for. Just pick any colour or any 3 colours and it will look nice anyway. So just quickly dab them to the sponge and then get your nail. And I'm very sorry my hand is going to be kind of on the way, but I didn't realise that whenever I was filming. It's only after I was finished I realised my hand is kind of on the way. But you can see I'm just dabbing the paint all over the nail, and then just, even if there's bubbles, it's okay. You're still going to do a second coat, so it'll make no difference at all. But just make sure you cover the full nail, and there's the finished look for the first coat. So just keep repeating the same technique the whole way until all your nails are done, and then do the second coats exactly the same way. If you think that the nail needs more than 2 coats, then go and apply a third one. So now I'm going to use a bulletproof strength formula from Nail, and this stuff is amazing. I couldn't say any bad things about it. I absolutely love this nail polish. So I'm just going to coat all my nails now that I've finished with this gloss, and then make sure you always apply it to the tip as well, because it will save it from your nails from chipping, and your colour starts to fade away and chip away. So make sure you definitely apply nail polish on the tip of your nail. So here you can see I have all my nails done, and I actually like to leave mine dry overnight, so at least 6 to 12 hours, so I know I can't get them ruined. And this is the finished look the next day. I absolutely love them, and if you did as well, please give my video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.